Everything from a 201-carat gemstone watch to yachts is on the list of the world's most luxurious items. And the figures, well, you've never seen so many zeros in one place. So, what are the world's most expensive items? In today's video, we'll show you the 10 most luxurious items you've never heard of. But first, please like and subscribe to this channel, and then sit back and relax. Number 10. Gold-plated Bugatti Veyron, $10 million. Flo Rida demonstrated that you don't need to be wealthy to own a gold-plated Bugatti Veyron. According to the Daily Mail, Flo Rida purchased the vehicle while facing financial ruin and the loss of his home. Rapper Golding survives the vehicle's 0 to 100 time of 2.8 seconds, resembling a ghost at that speed. Flo Rida added gold plating to the Bugatti after purchasing it. It was the gold plating that elevated it to the status of a one-of-a-kind collector's item worth $10 million. The Bugatti Veyron is the world's fastest production car. Its W16 engine produces 1,001 horsepower, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in 2.8 seconds and reach a top speed of 407 kilometers per hour. If these sums strike you as low, the sale price won't be. It will be somewhere around 2 million euros. We have previously witnessed famous people transforming their vehicles. Number 9. Diamond Panther Bracelet, $12.4 million. The world's most valuable bracelet is the gem that ignited Edward VIII and Wallis Simpson's romance. The panther is a representation of boldness, eroticism, and exoticism. According to steamit.com, the words boldness, sexuality, and exoticism may have been used to describe Wallis Simpson, the first socialite and fashion icon. Number 8. 201-carat gemstone watch, $25 million. Rolex and Patek Philippe come to mind when discussing luxury timepieces. However, the watch with the most extravagant and unique price is the most spectacular in terms of appearance, while not necessarily being the most attractive due to its load of jewelry, and it was made by the Chopard Company. Watch collectors are constantly on the lookout for rare, costly, and distinctive items. This unique illustration is a watch made by Chopard watchmakers. It is an extremely uncommon and expensive watch because it has 874 diamonds, totaling 201 carats of precious stones. The watch has 874 tiny diamonds, 3 enormous and stunning heart-shaped rhinestones, a 15-carat pink diamond, a 12-carat blue diamond, and a brilliant 11-carat white diamond, in addition to 3 other large gems. The entire surface is covered in white and yellow brilliant cut diamonds, which make up the rest. It went for an astounding $25 million at auction. What do you think of this jewel watch, by the way? Number 7. The Graf Pink Diamond, $46 million. One of the most precious and stunning gemstone specimens is the Graf Pink Diamond. According to Naturally Colored, the Graf diamond is a natural marvel that will be treasured for decades to come. Lawrence Graf paid an astounding $46 million for the stunning stone, one of the rarest diamonds in the world, at a Sotheby's auction. According to Bloomberg, an unidentified bidder paid $52 million for the 1963 Ferrari that Paul Pappalardo once possessed. Despite being nearly 55 years old, the classic Italian sports automobile has seen an increase in value. The most costly vehicle ever is this one. Number 6. L'incomparable diamond necklace, $55 million. The official name of the $55 million necklace is L'Incomparable Diamond Necklace. Almost 230 carats worth of white diamonds totaling 90 carats in weight are put into the rose gold setting, which holds a 407.48 carat nearly perfect white diamond. A girl in the Congo made the stunning diamond's first discovery more than 3 decades ago, and it now serves as the necklace's focal point. The necklace, according to Reuters, demonstrates Asia's expanding desire for pricey trinkets and rare gems. Number 5. Garçon à la Pipe painting, $104 million. The picture, which depicts a young Parisian child with a pipe, was created by the genius Pablo Picasso in 1905. When he was only 24 years old, Picasso painted Garçon à la Pipe in 1905. The late Mr. and Mrs. John Hay Whitney's collection of art featured this piece, which is regarded as one of the most significant early creations by the artist to ever enter the market. According to Revolve, a lot of critics of fine art were dissatisfied with the painting's high selling price, which they believed was driven more by the artist's reputation than by the quality or historical significance of the work. Number 4. The Card Players painting, $275 million. The French artist Paul Cézanne created this picture, which was sold for $275 million and is currently owned by the Al Thani royal family of Qatar. The painting is only one of the unique works the royal family of Qatar purchased from the unusual collection for $275 million. According to Vanity Fair, Qatar's decision to buy the piece of art was a risk in the country's quest to establish itself as a major center of thought. Number 3. Villa Leopolda, $506 million. Villa Leopolda is a portion of a sizable estate in Côte d'Azur. It served as a hospital during World War II and has since been renovated into one of the most exquisite homes on the French Riviera. The home, which additionally served as a hospital during World War II, is thought to be the second most expensive mansion ever built. The property, which is owned by the widow of Brazilian-Lebanese financier Edmond Safra and is situated on a sizable 50-acre site in the Côte d'Azur, features 11 bedrooms, 14 bathrooms, a commercial garden, a helicopter, an outdoor kitchen, and an amazing and gorgeous pool. The residence was renovated by American architect Ogden Cotman Jr. in the 1920s and was given its name after its first owner, King Leopold II of Belgium. Symbolic movies like Alfred Hitchcock's To Catch a Thief and Hans Christian Andersen's The Red Shoes, which are inspired by a story by the same author, were shot in their breathtaking scenery. According to Tell Me Nothing, the residence's previous owners included Gianni and Morella Agnelli, Isaac and Dorothy J. Killam, and most recently Edmund and Lili Safra. Number 2. Antilia, $2 billion. This enormous 34-story home, which belongs to Indian billionaire Mukesh Ambani, has 160 parking spaces and 3 helipads. It is built to withstand earthquakes of a magnitude of 8.0. First of all, Antilia is not just an ordinary skyscraper. It has a market worth almost $2 billion. But it's not just any old structure. In reality, it is a 34-story structure that was designed to survive an earthquake. The home features 3 different heliports for air travel, family mobility, and receiving the arrival of very important visitors. There is room for 160 cars in the house's garage. The owner will then be allowed to throw a party and invite all of his friends. Number 1. Yacht History Supreme, $4.5 billion. The gorgeous yacht features 100,000 kilograms of gold and platinum plating in addition to other luxuries like wine glasses adorned with 18-karat diamonds. Designed from solid platinum and gold, this floating castle is among the most expensive in the entire world. The yacht even includes a wall feature built from meteoric stone, according to the Stuart Hughes website, complete with real dinosaur bone from a raptor T-Rex. That's incredible. Which of these luxurious items we've just discussed do you like the most? We would like to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, the subscription button, and the notification bell. To get notified when new videos are uploaded from this channel, please share your thoughts about the 10 most luxury items in the world in the comment section below. Thank you.